So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Telegram login problem. So all what you have to do is just keep watching and I promise you the problem is gonna be solved. The first way is you have to open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps and then go to the Telegram app and click here on this option. It's called force stop and then go down to storage, click on manage space. It will take you directly to Telegram. Click on clear local database, click on clear right here, go back, click on clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the Play Store, search for Telegram and then update it if you found this update option right here. And the third way and the last one is you have to go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. That's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and thank you very much for watching the video.